reality. Every time you go on a big surf adventure, it can be like latter-day pioneering, and riding big waves has always been a captivating challenge of modern surfing. Big waves are actually quite rare. 80% of all ocean waves are less than 12 feet high. For waves over 35 feet, it actually takes from 600 to 900 miles of unobstructed ocean to reach full size. In Australia, there's still a great potential for a big wave mission. The madness is going off. Big wave hunter Mark Matthews and his crew surfing some big ones in Shipstern's Bluff. Kelly is really getting used to those throaty barrels now, and all the big wave riders were on fire to pit themselves into the biggest barrels. Massive barrels or not, Mark does it standing up. Cool cat. But even if you are a hard charger like Hippo, it's good never to forget the sheer brutality of this beautiful looking wave.
Mate? Just swap this board over. Polly?
Hello, mate. How you been, mate?
Yeah, good. Just swap this board. Bit of drama getting here. Nah, of course, yeah, it's definitely scary. Definitely have to give it the respect, that's for sure.
It's a type of wave where it sort of just gets thicker. Like it gets to probably like 15 foot plus, and then it just gets thick and mutated and yeah, heavy and scary. Really, when you're getting towed in, I guess the more you do it, the more you get comfortable with where you are on the wave and stuff. But yeah, a lot of people do hit that first step as it starts draining the first time and actually think that's the step, and then they'll position themselves a bit high and sort of get too high up the face and just sort of stuffs them up for the actual step.
But this doesn't matter, because in a world where all the best waves are being wantonly developed and overcrowded, to see a wave still as beautiful as it was a millennia ago is a breath of fresh air.
Heavy though, hard wipeout.
The isolation of the place gives it a sinister vibe, but the big wave mission went on, and the Southern Ocean dishes out bigger swell, so the waves began to reach the potential of mutant monsters. Hardcore surfers, it's a test of internal courage and offers a chance to be barreled like you've never been barreled before. And for Kelly Slater, used to big waves, but maybe not to a hellish right-hander like Shippy's, it's definitely a quest as well. And here we have the future of big wave riding, 14-year-old Riley Lang getting the tube of his young life.
Yeah, Grom. That was so sick. He was going down like 3 times on that wave. He was all, oh, where do I go? And he just manhandled that thing. That was epic. Dude, I would have paid $1 million to get a wave like that when I was 14. But I didn't even have $1,000, so. I don't think I had $100, actually.
Everyone's getting a few barrels, so everyone seems pretty happy out there. Beautiful day, clean conditions, having a bowl really.
Probably, huh? I mean, I don't know, I've only been there twice. My level, the bar's set pretty high for me now, I think. I mean, some of the waves I've seen today were unbelievable. That was Sam's one.
More to see from the adventure at the Big Wave Mission in Australia next time on Rebel TV.